Welcome to ChrisVerse, your daily American English podcast. I am so excited you are here today. Let us learn something amazing together. Before we start, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now. Every single day I bring you a new English word and a new lesson. And do not forget, stay till the very end because I have something special waiting for you today, a mystery word that will impress every American you meet. I have a mystery word for you, 9 letters. Educated Americans use it every day, saving it for the end. Which is correct? She have a cat or she has a cat? Stay with me. Hey, welcome back to ChrisVerse. Today we fix have versus has forever. Even advanced speakers get this wrong. So let us fix it right now together. Simple rule. Have goes with I, you, we, they. Has goes with he, she, it. My trick, he, she, it are all single. And has is short and single too. Say with me. He has, she has, it has. I have, you have, we have, they have. One more time. He has, she has, it has. You already got it. Real sentences. I have for kids. She has a beautiful smile. We have a big family. He has a new job. They have homework every night. It has a great price. You have an amazing future. Pause this video. Say out loud, I have, she has, we have, he has, they have, it has. Perfect, you sound like a native speaker right now. Mistakes I hear all the time. She have a car wrong. She has a car right. He have many friends wrong. He has many friends right. More mistakes. They has a dog wrong. They have a dog right. I has a question wrong. I have a question right. Remember, he, she, it always has. Quiz time. Fill in have or has. 1. My mother blank 3 sisters. 2. We blank a test tomorrow. 3. It blank a nice color. 4. They blank a beautiful house. That is it for today. Like this video, subscribe to ChrisVerse, share with one friend learning English. New word tomorrow. See you then. Bye. Answers. 1 has. 2 have. 3 has. 4 have. How many right? Write your score in comments. I read every single one. The moment you waited for. Your mystery word, 9 letters, is ambiguous. Spelling ambiguous. Write it down right now. Ambiguous means not clear. It can mean more than one thing. Example, the instructions were so ambiguous that nobody knew what to do. Use this word today. Final challenge. Is this correct or wrong? She have a very ambiguous answer. Comment your answer right now. I reply to every single comment. I know you got it right. You are getting better every single day. This is why I love teaching you. You never give up. Come back tomorrow. New word, new lesson just for you. That is it for today. Like this video, subscribe to ChrisVerse, share with one friend learning English. New word tomorrow. See you then. Bye.